Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first and only, two wonderful Christmas lines from Moda. We're in the Christmas spirit here, people. Okay, we have Joyful Gatherings 2. Okay, 2. This is by Primitive Gatherings, which is Lisa Bonjean. She's a peach and a half. Love her. Oh, look at those. They're just so rich. They're rich colors. Oh, I love it. Okay, a little more traditional for you. And then we have Chili by Sweetwater. And that is definitely a little more whimsical. You got your aqua in there. Look at the penguins. I mean, they have a hat and a scarf. Don't they know they're penguins? They don't get cold. They're so cute. And you have little trees and stars and the floral. And look at this. It's good. It's good. They are great additions to our already filling up Christmas room. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's getting fuller by the moment, people, which is good because on July 19th we have our Christmas Fab Stash show, Sunday, July 19th at 3 p.m. But we also have a show this weekend at 3 p.m. And if you are here local-ish, you should come and see us at Wright State's Nutter Center for the Ohio One-Stop Shop Hop, and that is Friday today. Well, Friday from 9 to 5 and Saturday from 9 to 3. So come see us and 19 other shops and get all kinds of fun stuff. But if you want to be entered to win one of the giveaways on Sunday's live show this Sunday, you need to answer this question. Okay, we just traveled back and there was some traffic because the interstate was shut down. So here's the question. Are you a stick it out in the traffic kind of gal or guy? Or are you a go around the traffic even though it might take the same amount of time, but you're moving and at least you're moving and you don't care? Which person are you? I thought I was one person. It turns out I think I'm the other person. Because it just took me an hour and 45 minutes and it should take 50 minutes, guys. So let me know what kind of driver, passenger, whatever, car rider are you? Do you stick out in the traffic or do you go around? Until next time, I think that's all. Okay, happy quilting. Bye.